We'll guide you through how to blur an object in CapCut. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to blur specific objects in videos using CapCut, such as faces, logos, or private details. This technique is useful for protecting privacy, avoiding copyright issues, or creating professional edits. It also helps creators control viewer focus and improve the overall visual quality of their content. To begin this tutorial, click your CapCut on the main page. Once open, move your attention to the top left corner and click Sign In to access your account. If you want to log in using Google, click Sign In with Google to continue. Select the Google account you want to use and signs you into the application. After logging in successfully, you will be taken to the main interface. From there, look at the top section and click Create Project to begin a new editing session. After entering the project workspace, move your attention to the top left corner and click Import so you can add media files from your device. Next, select the video whose object you want to blur, then click Open to import it into the project. Once the video is uploaded, it will appear in the Media Library panel. Then, click the plus icon on the video you have uploaded to add it to the timeline so you can begin editing. After placing the video on the timeline, look at the top left corner of the interface and click Effects to open the Effects library. Inside this section, locate the search field and type Blur to find blur-related effects available in the system. After the results appear, click and drag the blur effect you selected onto the timeline and position it over the video clip. Once the blur effect is applied, move your attention to the top right corner of the interface and click Mask to open masking options. Then, click Add Mask in the top right corner to create a custom mask for the effect. After that, select the mask you need based on the shape or area you want to cover. Next, carefully position and adjust the mask to select the object you want to blur, ensuring it aligns correctly with the area. Once finished, the object you selected will automatically blur, helping you hide details or focus attention effectively.